Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this is based on my personal experience using Xamarin. Xamarin, brought to you by Microsoft and available through the .NET platform, offers a powerful pathway for crafting cross-platform mobile applications. Utilizing C# and the .NET framework, developers can build native apps for iOS, Android, and even macOS, streamlining the development process and maximizing code reuse. This approach distinguishes Xamarin from other cross-platform solutions that often rely on interpreted languages or web-based technologies. Instead, Xamarin harnesses the performance of native UI elements while simultaneously allowing developers to share a significant portion of their code base across various platforms. This unified code base offers numerous advantages, including reduced development time and costs. Rather than maintaining separate code bases for each target platform, developers can focus on a single, shared code base, minimizing redundancy and simplifying maintenance. This efficiency translates into faster iteration cycles and quicker releases. Furthermore, accessing native APIs and platform-specific functionalities ensures that Xamarin apps deliver a truly native user experience. This allows developers to leverage device-specific features, resulting in apps that feel seamlessly integrated with each platform. By opting for Xamarin, developers gain access to the extensive .NET ecosystem, including a rich set of libraries, tools, and a vibrant community. This comprehensive ecosystem provides robust support and resources, empowering developers to tackle complex challenges and build sophisticated mobile applications. The maturity and stability of the .NET platform further contribute to the reliability and maintainability of Xamarin applications. This is a key consideration for long-term projects, ensuring that applications can be readily updated and maintained over time. So, if you're looking to build high-performance, native mobile apps across different platforms with the power and flexibility of C# and .NET, Xamarin is definitely worth exploring.